All right, we're going to take a look at using Google Tour Builder for your next project. So when you go to Google Tour Builder, the first thing you're going to do is click on Create a Tour. It's going to ask you to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Your tour, my favorite places, and you can put your first name, last initial. This assignment is going to be places that you would want to visit on a summer vacation. So think about 5 places in North America where that you would like to visit. So it could be a place in Mexico or in Canada, or of course the United States. Click Create a Tour. So here's how this is going to start. Your tour name is already going to be in there along with you're the author of this tour builder. If you want to add a photo here, you could. What is the summary of this tour? Places I want to visit on vacation someday. Leave it at 3D, path color. This just shows what color do you want the lines to be from location to location as your map goes. All right, your introduction is done. Time to add a location. Click Add Location. This is where you're going to put in the different places that you want to travel for your tour. So think about landmarks, think about cities, think about special places that you want to visit. So I'm going to start off for my first one, and I'm going to start typing in Mount Rushmore for that national park. All right, so here we go, Mount Rushmore. As you see, Google Maps is going to take you to Mount Rushmore. It's going to already have a place in there. This is the parking area. When I'm ready to add this to my tour, I can click Add Tour. If I want to do Street View, I can click this to drop this little Street View guy down somewhere and see some other pictures. If I don't want that aerial view, I can see some of these places. There's Mount Rushmore up there. If this is the picture I want for the location, I can click Add to Tour. Now, once I do this, I have to add some additional photos and videos. So part of this assignment is going to have you find additional pictures for your location. So I am going to click on Add Photos and Videos. I'm going to go over here to More and click Search for Images. And Mount Rushmore. Click Search. You've seen this type of search box before in Google Slides. So find a picture that I want to use. Let's say I want that one. This one's from a little bit farther away. Here's the visitor center. Here's one, looks like at night. Click select when I have those done, and you'll see the pictures are going to be in a little slideshow here as I go. Now, the next thing that you need to do in your introduction about your location is do some research and share some fun facts and things that you learned about this location. So, why do you want to go there? What are you going to do? Important facts. That stuff gets typed right here. So you will fill this information in with a whole bunch of stuff. When you are finished, you're going to go on to your next location. And from there, let's say I want to go to the Everglades National Park in Florida. So you'll see Earth moves me down, Google Earth moves me down here. Let's see if there's any street views in the Everglades. There you go. Looks like I'm on a beach or walkway. If I don't want this picture again, I can just click here. If I want to zoom in to this location, I can do that and add it to my tour. Again, I need to find some pictures. So again, I'm going to search, but I'm going to change my search to the Everglades National Park. Hit search, and I will find some more pictures. Add those in. Now take your time finding pictures. You want obviously good ones. And again, Everglades National Park. And you will put in a whole bunch of information in here. Then you'll add another location so that you have a total of 5. When you are finished, click on Done Editing. You'll notice this saves automatically just like Google Docs and Google Slides and stuff does. So when you are finished, click Done Editing. Your tour, you can go back to the intro to see how this tour will work. It'll start you at your first place. When you click next, you go to location. We'll be able to see all your information when you share this with people. Move to your next location, and you can present your information using Google Tour Builder. So that's what we're going to do for your project. Find 5 places in North America that you want to visit, add those and create those as part of Google Tour Builder.